Hey guys, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be doing the easy install of the C8 Corvette license plate insert. This is available in carbon fiber and carbon flash. We're doing a carbon fiber insert. Let's get to the install. We're going to start here. We got to remove our license plate. Grab a tool, whatever one you need for your license plate. And then next we want to clean the area. Use some quick detailer and a towel. Just kind of wipe off any dust that could be in here. And with this is supplied some Adhesive Promoter. There's going to be tape in the center, top, and bottom, as well as on these outer edges. We need to wipe those areas down with a little bit of Adhesive Promoter just to make sure the double-sided tape sticks. Then follow the instructions for the Adhesive Promoter. They tend to have a little bit of a dry time before you can actually stick the product. So give it the time that's recommended on the package, and then you can install it. And then during the PDI process, they install this piece of foam under the license plate. We will need to remove that. You can just grab it and gently peel it off. So on the back here, you have your places with double-sided tape. We need to peel the backing off of that, and let's get it stuck on. Now I've got our panel prepped. This will actually set around this on the bumper. So just get it lined up first before you actually push it down and set the glue. And then, as always with double-sided tape, firmly press it down, make sure it sticks. And reinstall your license plate. There you have it, probably one of the easiest installs. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.